Guess what?
What? Don't you see Granny in here trying to take a shower?
We did it. We have made it to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And it's all thanks to you. Now that I have met the requirements, I have begun the monetization process, which means slowly but surely I'm going to begin to get my shmoney for all of my hard work. But I didn't do this by myself. There are currently more than 1,000 glittered jewels who have given me their support. And today, I definitely have to thank you.
Thank you. You're all too kind.
Originally, we were supposed to celebrate with a Q&A session, but the questions that I mainly got in my inbox were, Glitter, are you single? Glitter, will you date me? Glitter, can you be my girl? And honestly, that's not what I was looking for. There was only one person who, instead of sending me, can I date you question or congratulations, actually sent me a question of substance. And that was my Aunt Erica. So shout out to my Aunt Erica. And I'm going to answer a question later on in the video. As a matter of fact, if you are here not to see my shout outs or my thank yous, but you want to see how I got to 1,000 subscribers so quickly, step by step, then go ahead and fast forward to the part of the video that is labeled step number 1. And I'll see you over there in a second. Hey, yo, Glitter, where you been? So I know some of you have been wondering where I've been. The reason why it took me so long to get this video uploaded is because not only did I have to have 1,000 subscribers to get monetized, but as I mentioned, I also had to have 4,000 watch hours. Well, I earned 1,000 subscribers before I got the watch hours. So guess what? All I could do was wait. It was crazy though. Last time when I was trying to get 500 subscribers, it seemed like my numbers were stuck on 333. The magic number this time was 768. There were 768 glittered jewels, and the number just kept going up and down, to the point where I stopped looking at it. I was like, you know what? Forget it. I'm going to just put this computer away, put this phone away. I'm not even going to look at it. I did that for about a week, and then I was like, all right, I'll let a week go by. Let me check it. And then I was like, I got 1,000 subscribers! Here's the actual email that I got from YouTube once my channel was approved to be monetized. It says, congratulations, your YouTube channel, Glitter the Entertainer, has been accepted into the YouTube Partner Program, and it is now able to monetize on YouTube. This time around, I would definitely like to thank, again, Turkey, the United States, and India for being where the bulk of my subscribers are coming from. All of the glittered jewels who came over from my POF live stream, my immediate family, my son, he's been helping me out, especially with the mommy series that I've been doing, and my editor. I do not do all the editing on my videos by myself, okay? So big shout out and thank you to him too. Okay, so now I'm going to give you step-by-step strategies that help me get monetized in just 4 months. Step number 1. Decide on a polished look for your channel. For example, my favorite colors are pink and yellow, but because I knew that most of my fan base were going to be men initially, I decided to go with orange and yellow. So all of my thumbnails were initially yellow and orange, but my banner was a different color, which made my YouTube page look disconnected. After about my 3rd or 4th video, I went back and changed all of my thumbnails so that they could match my banner, because you want your channel to have a polished look or some type of flow. Step number 2, know who your audience is. Since I began as a live streamer on a dating app, I knew that most of my initial subscribers would be men. But over on the live stream, I also had female friends as well. which is why I decided to pick a banner that had the colors both blue and pink. I also decided that purple would be okay since it's somewhat of a neutral color too. I needed my profile, thumbnail pictures, and my banner to be able to attract both men and women. To figure out who your audience is, you can look at the data in the YouTube studio. When I first started, 77% of my subscribers were men, and only 23% of my subscribers were female. But in my mind, I had a goal to make my channel at least a 60 to 40% split. I was aiming for 60% of male subscribers and 40% of female subscribers. And guess what? I'm on my way to make that goal too. As a matter of fact, right now, as I record this video, I currently have 67% of a male audience and 33% of a female audience. Well, that leads me to my step number 3, which is cater to your audience. Aunt asked a very good question. She asked, how do you pick your content? Well, once I had a polished look for my channel and I became aware of who my audience was, I then sat down and came up with ideas that would cater to my audience. My initial fans were from a dating site, so I made dating videos. While on my live stream, I also made friends with a lot of females who had kids, so I made mom videos. And you should try it. This strategy works. Since my goal was to have an audience for both men and women, I made videos for both men and women. Simple as that. I'm going to keep it real with you though. It doesn't matter how polished your channel looks, how well you know your audience, or how great your content is, especially if you're struggling for people to see it. So if you are struggling to get your views and subscribers, you need to go ahead and listen to my tip number 4. Step number 4, promote your channel. Now, I'm going to assume this may be somewhat of a taboo topic because I rarely see any videos about exactly how to promote your channel for success. Yeah, I've heard some examples of how to do it, but those aren't the ways that help me get my channel name out there and really get my videos seen. The first thing on it will be social media. But there's a catch. You can't just simply say, hey, check out my YouTube channel or check out this video. You need to have a link there. And if you do this on Facebook or Instagram, it's highly also suggested that you attach just a little clip of the video so they can see the video in action. Simply just posting it on your social media is usually not good enough. Second thing you'll see on the handy dandy anchor chart is promoting your channel via YouTube Facebook groups. The third suggestion on my anchor chart is free promotional apps. There are apps that you can download on your phone and promote your own YouTube video, so that way as many eyes can see your content as possible. You can also invest in your channel by paying someone to promote your channel. You can either get a publicist or find someone online who does organic YouTube growth. Like, I'm going to say it again, organic YouTube growth. You don't want people doing illegal things to grow your subscribers or to grow your channel in any kind of way outside of the way that is allowed by YouTube to do it. Because if so, you'll mess around and have all those subscribers and all those views and it won't count and your channel will not get monetized. Step number 5, continuously provide quality content. Because when a new subscriber or potential subscriber comes to your channel and views your video, if it's really good, they'll probably come back again. If it's really bad, they're going to click right off. and that will alter your numbers in the algorithm. How long someone watches your video or how long they don't watch your video can all affect your growth on YouTube. So go ahead and make those videos super good. Well, my time is up. I've got to go. But before I do, a big shout out to all of my subscribers, both old and new Glitter Jewels. Till next time. Bye.